Hello, you know that there is an online fashion school, Milan Fashion Campus, with online courses where you can start anytime you want and you have instant access to all online courses. And you have also the possibility to try a free lesson. Let's discover the courses. Best seller course is the online fashion styling course and also the men's fashion styling course. But let's discover also all the other courses. You have social media for fashion. You have the media editorial fashion styling course. You have the fashion buying, the Italian fashion buying, if you have your own boutique or you want to import items, fashion from Italy. We have fashion for branding, okay? Career strategy to step in the world of fashion. If you want to step in this world, you are new, you need to know more. You have to study these steps and you will reach the solution, okay, to step inside. Start and launch your fashion brand. You have your own fashion collection and you don't know how to launch this collection. This can be useful for you. But let's discover also, here we have the video fashion lecture. So you just sit down and watch, only watching. You don't have to do nothing. Here you have to do something. Women's wear fashion design course, accessory design course, online fashion trend forecasting, online bridal design course, lingerie and swimwear design course, but also streetwear, men's fashion design course, ebooks, economical ebooks, and also artificial intelligence for fashion design, okay? Sneakers design and the classic Italian menswear design course. All these courses are with certificate. You will receive your certificate. Just only the sneaker course has not a certificate, but all other courses they have certificate. You want to come to Milan? You can also come to Milan after, okay? If you complete the course, ask to come to Milan and we will make you a small discount. Wait you here in Milano or online. Ciao.